In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a business card on Canva. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to start a new project, choose the right format, and get ready to customize a professional looking card for your brand. First, open Canva in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option that lets you start a new design. This is usually labeled Create a Design or simply Create. Go ahead and click that. Think of this as telling Canva, I'm starting something new, before you decide what kind of project it will be. After clicking Create, a search bar will appear where you can type in the kind of design you want to work on. In that search field, type the words business card. As you type, Canva will suggest different templates and formats related to business cards. This step is important because it filters out everything else and shows you only layouts that are meant to be printed and used as real business cards. Once you have typed business card, you'll see several options appear. There may be standard business cards, vertical cards, or regional size variations. Take a moment to notice what sizes are being suggested. Different countries sometimes use slightly different dimensions, so if you have a printer or local print shop in mind, you may want to confirm which size they prefer before you continue. Now, it's time to select the size of your design. Click on the business card format that best matches your needs. If you're unsure, the default business card option is usually a safe choice, since it follows a common standard size. When you select it, Canva will open a blank canvas or sometimes a selection of templates at that specific size. Choosing the right size at this stage saves you from having to resize everything later, which can distort images or misalign text. Once the correctly sized canvas is open, you'll be ready to start customizing your card by adding your name, job title, logo, and contact details. And that's it for the setup. You've created a new design, told Canva you want a business card, and selected the proper size, so you're now fully prepared to move on to the creative part and design a card that represents you or your business.